How to create 4-level Sankey diagram in Microsoft Power BI. Click on the Create button. Click on the Paste or Manually Enter Data box. Paste your data. Click in the Name text box to change the table name. Click on the Create a Blank Report option. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals. Search for Sankey diagram by VisioChart. Click on Sankey diagram by VisioChart. Click Add button to add Sankey diagram visual. Click on Sankey diagram icon. Click on the LPG usage in oven data. Select Measure and Dimension columns. Click on File button and select Save option from drop-down. Click on Export button and export chart to PDF.